Good afternoon, folks. How are you guys? I wanted to share this piece with you guys. Just came in 2014 Audi RS5, normally aspirated 4.2 liter V8, which is like the most in-demand engine from Audi. Everybody loves this engine. No turbos, no supercharger. 450 horsepower. This is not the S5. This is the RS5. This is how they run when they are happy. Folks, absolute beast. Quattro, all-wheel drive system. Plenty of photos will be on our website at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact is Justin, 757-222-0522. We also have a black Audi S5 and a black Audi A7 with chocolate brown interior. So let's dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and start closing up. Aluminum covers on the mirrors. Keyless entry, of course. Super clean. Platinum gray metallic with super light gray interior. 7-speed automatic DSG dual clutch system. Flat bottom steering wheel. Navigation, backup, different driving modes. Push start, push stop button. "20-inch rims. Performance rotors, of course. 450 horsepower, normally aspirated 4.2 liter V8. Audi S5 also has 4.2 liter V8, but the RS5 has more horsepower. Yes, when you reach a certain speed, spoiler that is hidden here like the Porsche, it comes out. No cracks, nothing on the taillights. Driver front door. This popped up. Another look at the dash. Folks, she runs absolutely beautiful. Heated seats, climate control, everything. Carbon fiber. Let's close her up. Let's look at this. Sun is about to go down. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. So it's got the clear bra on it, in excellent condition. Clear bra, super clean. Gunmetal Gray Metallic, Carfax certified, absolute beast, and a lot of fun to drive. There'll be many photos on our website, so do not worry. This is just a quick video. TryMaxAuto.com, 757-222-0522. Folks, enjoy the weekend. I just didn't want to waste a minute to post this guy. If you're, the buyer for an RS5 is a specific buyer. Not everybody knows this engine platform that well, but this is one of the most reliable engine platforms, and when you go from S5 to RS5, you're talking about a lot of more horsepower. Enjoy it, folks. We do have an S5 also with the 4.2, and the other cars will be posted shortly. We've been doing this since 2007. Thanks to you guys. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Thank you for all the referrals. Thank you to all the out-of-state customers. We love you guys. Take care. Bye.